Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play on 1xBet. First, you'll need to create an account, which is a quick and easy process. You can register using your phone number, email, social networks, or even a one-click option. Remember to provide accurate personal details for smooth verification, and always choose a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. This initial step takes just a few moments, setting you up for your betting journey. Once your account is set up, the next step is to deposit funds. 1xBet offers many payment methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies, with most deposits processing instantly. After funding, navigate to the sports or live betting sections. You'll find a vast selection of events, from football to esports, allowing you to choose your preferred market. Understanding the different bet types is key to a successful experience. Single bets are straightforward, focusing on one outcome, perfect for beginners. Accumulator bets, also known as parlays, combine two or more selections, multiplying the odds for potentially larger returns, though all selections must win. For a bit more flexibility, system bets allow you to win even if not all your predictions are correct. To place a bet, simply select your chosen event and click on the odds for your desired outcome. This adds your selection to the bet slip, usually on the right side of your screen. Enter the amount you wish to wager, review your potential winnings, and then confirm your bet. For quick, engaging experiences, check out 1xGames, which include exciting options like Aviator or Mines, offering rapid-fire betting rounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.